Hi guys, this is a video about maintenance. I will not be always busy with AA. There's a lot of things to do, a lot of what ifs in my mind and not so much time. So if you are saying, oh my god, this is a great opportunity combining ArcoLinux with ALIS, then you need to keep up to date. I just got a mail from Pico saying I've changed a few things that you've asked. So from time to time, what do? You check your maintenance thing. You have a folder AA. This is his code. This is our code. This is the ALIS code, and this is how to build an ArcoLinux ALIS AA. Okay, so this one is the official one. This is on your machine. You git pull this. It's a git clone first, and then you do git pull. And he changed some things in one file, ALIS. Let's have a look. In the meantime, this is maybe the third time I've done that, so let's record it. So you get code in. Pico did something. What did he do? Right mouse click. Git ahead, git find, git kraken, whatever. And you read. There is a timing. I told him ALIS is the selling point, is time. In 4 minutes time, you've got Plasma, Cinnamon, LXDE, you name it, it's there after 4 minutes time. Can't we record this? Can't we get and then we have it, a timestamp. Started at that precise second and stopped at that precise time, and we know how long it took. The other question was GNOME terminal, missing in Cinnamon. It's there now. So I need to update my code because it's not on our GitHub. It's separate. It leads a separate life. And I'd rather do it like this because then I'm in control, full local control, and say, okay, let's compare. And while you compare, you learn. And sometimes you read very difficult code and think, oh my god, what's that? So be it, right? You learn by reading things that you don't know, and gradually 4 years in the project you say, oh my god, what have I learned? Here's the date. You don't need to be able to read the code. It's a start and a stop, and that's it. And then you know how long it is, how long it will take. And then we scroll on, stop. So the spaces, you can delete spaces, Pico, you can delete the spaces. I'm gonna delete them. And here we have decision, time, package git qt5 is in there. It's needed for discover. And here's the GNOME terminal. Taking this one with me. And that's it. No, that's not it. We have again a start timestamp here. And then we're gonna log everything, put it in there. And that's it. So the only difference I'm going to keep is the package git qt5, so the backend for Discover and Plasma. And the spaces. And that's it. All right. That's going to be save my code. And that was the only thing that needs to be checked. The other things, I can show you the other things, but those are my choices. Pipe wire, true and false and all that. These are my choices. What did I do? Control Z. I typed from true an S. So watch for typos. The only thing we can check again, the only thing I really should check or should change were all the timestamps here. So I've done all that, and this I haven't done, did I? A readme, a new readme. Let me have a look. Cancel. Git pull. So the very last thing. Ooh, he's working. Okay, back to the drawing board. So compare. So GitHub and site, and that's not needed. The readme is changed. Okay. Follow the Arch Wiki title, new link there. Please don't ask for support for the scripts On ArcoLinux Forums, true, true, true. Okay, so the right one, just making sure, the right one is the official ALIS. Okay, so everything needs to come from the left to the right. Ooh, we've got Budgie. Yay, a new one. Okay, Budgie. PS, Pico. Deeping is sick. Like a no-show. Sick. Black screen. I think at some point in time we'll just have to leave it alone and say, it's okay, it's okay. So he reorganized his titles. I trust that's okay. So go, 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 and go. Voila. And the beginner's guide. The README is the same. And now we go with other stuff. So this is a little bit more complex in the sense that I need to really see that there are no new packages in there, no names in there. But I don't think there are. And you can see Paria developer and Bluetooth. No, it's okay. Recovery, of course, my keyboard stands and my keyboard stays the same. And we have Madrid there. No new fields, variables or anything. And ALIS, we've checked that now. Aha, the Budgie is new. So Budgie, you're in and you're up. You don't know it yet, but I will install you. Up here, yep, the spaces, and here's Budgie. And what if we have Budgie? What then? Then you install Budgie Desktop U, Budgie Screensaver, GNOME Control Center, Network Manager Applet, and GNOME. Yeah, looks like the good things. Better not GNOME Extra, because that's a lot of rubbish comes in. Too much. You can still decide to install it if you want it. That's it. That's your Budgie. The code is in. Now, you can quit this. And this is actually my second test, right? My second screening is the code okay. Compare. Now the README I don't have to take care, right? So I can, let's have a look quick. Oh no, that's not the README. The README, this one is okay. At the bottom, all kind of reorganizations there. So what I'll do is just simply copy to the right. Boom. And this, I don't think we changed this, but nevertheless, check it. Human failure and all. Yep. So we tested out system D on UEFI. Let me stress that again in the video. grub is for BIOS and UEFI. Refined, just UEFI. System D, just UEFI. Okay. Just saying. And where's my Budgie? I don't see our Budgie here. So we forgot our Budgie somehow. You see, it's good to check again and again because, hey, this one goes in there. Here we have the variables. Budgie falls through. And here are the dates. Up, stop, Budgie, you're in. GNOME terminal for Cinnamon. Budgie, you're in. Stop, date, and time. Everything blue, great. So we've done a mistake somewhere. This one, we started with this, right? Now we do this. And we compare again. And we close and we close and we have a look at this one. So where is Budgie? KDE. No, not that one. No, not that one. This one. Here we should have done a type here. Yes, Budgie single. So this time around, this is the def. So Budgie, you're up. Save, quit, and this one compare as well. And that's the ALIS-conf. Difference is this is for VirtualBox and VMware, device SDA. This is for QEMU, and these are for hardware, right? And VMEs. Sticking to systemd, sure. Budgie, you're up. But this is ALIS, right? Not the def. We can keep the standard one, ALIS on XFCE, and Budgie, you're out here. Save, as long as we have the option for Budgie, right? Yeah, I don't know. It is 11 minutes of work, but okay. Then we push everything to the internet, and it's testing time again. And we can test Budgie. Budgie edit. All right, next video, let's install ALIS dev Budgie.